Good morning everyone. Today we will start remaining part of chapter 5. So take out your notebook and write question answer. So next question fourth. Okay, fourth now? Yes. Which sedimentary rock rock is formed by under extreme heat and pressure transform to marble. Which sedimentary rock under extreme heat and pressure and transform to marble? यानी किस सेडिमेंट्री रॉक को एक्सट्रीमली हीट और प्रेशर दिया जाए तो वो मार्बल में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. विच सेडिमेंट्री रॉक? सो लाइमस्टोन. आंसर इज लाइमस्टोन. लाइमस्टोन को जब एक्सट्रीमली हीट और प्रेशर दिया जाए तो वो कन्वर्ट हो जाता है मार्बल में. ओके. So answer is by under extreme heat and pressure limestone transform to marble. So answer is limestone. Only answer is limestone. Okay. Next question fifth one is name two natural resources. Name two natural resources that even fulfill most of our energy demand. एनर्जी की डिमांड को फुलफिल करने के लिए मोस्टली किस नेचुरल रिसोर्स को यूज़ किया जाता है? सो राइट नेम टू नेचुरल रिसोर्स दैट इवन फुलफिल मोस्ट ऑफ आवर एनर्जी डिमांड. सो फर्स्ट आंसर इज कोल एंड पेट्रोल. आंसर इज कोल and petrol. Coal and petrol fulfill our energy demand. Okay. Then next question is what is magma? What is magma? What is magma? So hot molten rock found deep under the ground is called magma? Answer is hot molten rock. Hot molten rock found deep under the ground, yeah, under the earth, under the ground is called magma. Okay, hot molten rock found deep under the ग्राउंड के अंदर जो हॉट मॉल्टन रॉक होता है उसको मैग्मा कहा जाता है. द नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज लावा? व्हाट इज लावा? What do you mean by lava? When magma that reaches the earth surface is called lava. जब मैग्मा अर्थ सरफेस तक पहुंच जाती है, ओके, बाय किसके द्वारा? वेट, ट्रेमेंडियस प्रेशर के द्वारा. By tremendous pressure, when magma that reaches the earth's surface is called lava. When magma that reaches the earth's surface is called lava. Okay, by tremendous pressure magma reaches the earth surface is called lava. जब वो अर्थ सरफेस पे पहुंच जाती है मैग्मा तो उसी मैग्मा को लावा कहा जाता है. The next is write properly. Okay बच्चा. Next question, write the mineral that following rock contain. Next question है write the minerals that following rocks contain. So first is granite. Second one is basalt, pumice, basalt. Third one is pumice. And fourth one is limestone. In granite, mica and quartz are found. Mica and quartz. And in basalt, magnesium and iron. And iron. magnesium and iron. And in pumice, zircon and feldspar. Zircon and feldspar. And in limestone, calcite. Okay. Then next question. Write properly, beta. Name the rock formed by the following pressure. Name the rocks formed by following pressure. Following process, sorry. First is quick cooling of lava on Earth's surface. Quick cooling of lava on Earth's surface. Extrusive igneous rock. Extrusive igneous rocks. Okay, and the second one is answer. That is answer. And second one is deposition of sediment. Deposition of sediment. सेडिमेंट के डिपॉजिट होने से क्या होता है? आंसर इज सेडिमेंट्री रॉक आर फॉर्म्ड. Sedimentary rocks are formed. Third one is transformation of an existing rock with minerals metamorphic. Transformation of igneous and sedimentary rock. Transformation of igneous and sedimentary rock. Answer is metamorphic. Rocks are formed. And slow cooling of magma. Fourth one is, right, fourth. Slow cooling of magma below Earth's surface. magma below earth surface. अर्थ सरफेस के बिलो अर्थ सरफेस स्लो कूलिंग ऑफ मैग्मा का कूल डाउन होना बट स्लोली और अर्थ सरफेस के अंदर तो कौन सा रॉक्स फॉर्म होता है? इंट्रूसिव इग्नियस रॉक्स. आंसर इज इंट्रूसिव igneous rocks are formed due to slow cooling of magma below the earth surface. Okay, write properly. Thank you.